Good morning, class 6th. Welcome to the online classes from RPS Public School. I hope you all are staying safe at your homes, enjoying the holidays, and yes, very predominantly focusing on your studies. My dear students, as you have watched yesterday's video, so I hope you are clear with the chapter. Now is the time to tickle your brain, students. So let's get started with the checkpoints. Open your chapter number 11, motion and measurement. Okay, let's see where are the checkpoints. Yes, here it is. Checkpoint 1, page number 140. Question number 1 is, the known fixed quantity of measurement is called the. Students, yesterday I have told you that measurement is known as comparing the unknown quantity to a known quantity. Yes, the unknown, what is that unknown quantity which we want to measure? And known quantity is that what is known to us. So what is that known quantity called? He is asking. That known quantity is called as unit. What is it called? Unit. Okay, next question. The length of the foot of a person was known as. In earlier times, when people do not have standard units, so they use the body parts to measure the distances. So what is the length of the foot of a person is known as. He is asking about that. So what is it called? It is called as foot. It is called as foot only. Okay, F-O-O-T, foot. Question number 3. The SI unit of length is. SI unit means standard unit for measuring the length is. Students, yesterday I have told you that for measuring distance we can use meter, kilometer, decimeter, centimeter. But what is the standard unit for measuring the length? That is meter. Standard unit for measuring the length is meter. Okay. The next question is, the Kelvin is the SI unit of. See, like the SI unit for length is meter. So what would be the SI unit of Kelvin, he is asking. So Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. Kelvin would be the SI unit of temperature. Okay, next. Done with your checkpoints 1. Moving to the checkpoints 2. Let's see, where is it? Okay, here on page number 144. Checkpoints 2, answer in one word. Here you have to answer in just one word. Okay, the first question is, the length between the tip of middle finger and the elbow of an arm is. See, like in checkpoint number 1, he is asking the length of the foot is known as. It is known as foot only. So in this question he is asking the length between the elbow and the middle finger is. It is known as cubit. C-U-B-I-T, cubit. Clear, students? Okay. Question number 2. The quantity that does not depend on another quantity means which is independent on itself, which is not dependent on anything. What is that quantity called? That quantity is known as fundamental quantity, that basic quantity, that smallest quantity that does not depend on any other quantity. It is called as fundamental quantity. So what will come here? Fundamental quantity. Okay. The SI unit of temperature, question number 3. It is same as that of question number 4 on checkpoint number 1. The Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. He is asking here, what is the SI unit of temperature? So what would come here? Kelvin. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. The symbol for the unit of time is time. What is the standard unit for time, students? Remember yesterday I have told you the SI unit for time is second. So what would be the symbol for second? The symbol would be in S in lowercase letters, means small s. So what will be the answer? Small s. Okay. Now question number 5. A decimal system of unit is known as. The decimal system for unit is known as metric system. Before SI unit of system, another system was there, that is metric system. Okay students, now let's check, are there more? Okay, now checkpoints number 3. Checkpoints number 3. In it we have to write true or false. Okay, question number 1. Object in rest do not change their position with respect to a fixed point. What he is asking, that whether objects in rest do not change their position with respect to time. Yes students, if they change their position, then they are said to be in motion. But he is saying that in rest. So in rest, objects do not change their position. So his statement is true. What will come here? True. Question number 2. The motion of an ant is an oscillatory motion. It sounds weird. How can ant move in oscillatory system? Obviously it moves forward, no? So it is false. It does not move like a clock in an oscillation. It does not move like a pendulum also. It moves in a straight line. It moves forward. So it is absolutely false. Question number 3. In rotatory motion, objects change their position with respect to a fixed point. What is saying, in rotatory motion, objects change their position with respect to a fixed point? No. In rotation, what is in rotatory motion? Objects rotate, but they do not change their position from a fixed point only. So it is absolutely false. Next question is, the movement of the earth around the sun is a periodic motion. Periodic motion is what? Which repeats after certain intervals of time. That is periodic motion. So earth rotates in a fixed path, right? The position of the earth is changing with respect to the same path. So it is true. The movement of earth around the sun is a periodic motion. It is correct. True. Question number 5. Very fast vibrations are called as oscillations. What is an oscillation? The to and fro motion of a pendulum. So, is it mentioned somewhere that very fast vibration? No. So, it is false. Okay, students. So, here we are done with our checkpoints. Now, let's move to the book exercise.